service in Albany has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Litchfield County, northeastern Dutchess County, and east central New York until 6:30 p.m. At 5:48 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Millerton to near Amania to near Dover Plains, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South Norfolk, Cornwall, Falls Village, Sodom, South Canyon, Lithgow, Kelly Corner, Millbrook, West Goshen, Skiff Mountain, Wrightsville, Salisbury, Smithfield, South Amania, Chicamaco, Amesville, Cornwall Bridge Pottery, Midhilltown, North Green, and Lime Rock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.